Guess my
even
fart.
when it always ends in pain, are often caught in something called
Guess my fart.
compulsion. Repetition compulsion is a subconscious drive to recreate familiar
Guess my fart. Round 2.
even the painful ones, in hopes of mastering. What the fuck? Shows the amygdala and hippocampus store early emotional memories and recognize familiar feelings as safe, not dangerous. So when someone triggers the same kind of chaos or neglect you once felt, your brain doesn't run, it leans in. Psychologically, this creates the illusion
Guess my
that
fart.
this time, maybe the story will end differently. But each time the cycle repeats, dopamine spikes with hope, then crashes with disappointment.
Guess my fart.
Healing begins when you stop chasing resolutions from others and start noticing what familiar really means. Familiar isn't always love. Sometimes it's just unhealed pain wearing a comfortable face.
Guess my fart.
Ever wondered why you keep running back?